Imagine waking up to a breaking story in your industry, and by noon your name is quoted in 3 major articles. That's the power of newsjacking. In this lesson, you'll learn how to use trending stories to position yourself as an expert source in real time. Because while most brands are still drafting press releases, smart founders are already being featured. Reactive PR is about speed, timing, and credibility, not luck. When you understand how to plug into the news cycle strategically, you can earn coverage in hours instead of weeks. Step 1. Understand what newsjacking is. Newsjacking is the art of inserting your brand or expertise into a trending story to gain media attention. You're not creating the story, you're adding insight that makes it stronger. For example, a cybersecurity founder comments on a breaking data breach. A financial advisor shares perspective after new tax laws are announced. A health expert explains what a viral TikTok trend gets wrong. When you react quickly with credibility, you help journalists add depth to breaking stories, and in return, they give you visibility. Step 2. Know when it works. Not every trend is worth chasing. Newsjacking works best when the story directly connects to your expertise. The topic has wide public interest. Your perspective adds clarity, not noise. If it doesn't check all 3, skip it. Relevance beats reach every time. Step 3. Find stories fast. Speed is everything. You have a 6 to 12 hour window from when a story breaks to when journalists finalize coverage. Here are the fastest ways to spot opportunities. Google News and Google Trends. Set alerts for your industry keywords. X or Twitter. Follow hashtags and journalists in your niche. LinkedIn trending and industry Slack channels. Great for early discussions. Haro. Help a reporter out. Or quoted. Journalists asking for sources in real time. At OtterPR, we monitor hundreds of outlets daily for client-relevant stories, so when a topic pops, we're pitching within minutes. Step 4. Craft your rapid response pitch. A reactive pitch should be short, direct, and ready to send immediately. Here's a simple 3-part structure. Subject. Expert comment on breaking topic. Body. Hi, journalist name. Saw your coverage on topic. I am your name, title, company, and I can provide quick commentary or context for your story. Quick insights. Point 1, what's happening. Point 2, why it matters. Point 3, what people should do or watch for. Happy to provide a quote or join a short call if helpful. Keep it under 150 words. No attachments, no fluff. Speed and clarity win. Step 5, build a rapid response library. You can prepare for newsjacking before it happens. Create a document with 5 to 6 evergreen talking points related to your expertise. That way, when a trend hits, you can copy, tweak, and send in minutes. Example: how small businesses can protect data after a breach. What rising interest rates mean for early-stage startups. Why authenticity will outperform ads in 2025. Having these ready makes you look calm, fast, and professional. 3 qualities journalists love. Step 6. Share publicly, not just privately. If you miss the journalist window, you can still ride the wave. Post your take on LinkedIn or X using the trending hashtags and tags for major outlets. For example, the Fed's latest decision just shifted the entire startup funding landscape. Here's what most founders haven't realized yet. You're still demonstrating expertise, building engagement, and increasing your odds of being noticed for the next story. Journalists often scan social media for expert quotes after initial coverage. Staying visible increases your future chances. Step 7. Respect the line between commentary and crisis. One warning: don't exploit tragedy or sensitive topics. If the news involves loss, harm, or controversy, your commentary should focus on solutions or prevention, not self-promotion. Empathy first, expertise second. The fastest way to ruin credibility is to appear opportunistic. Step 8. Amplify your wins. When you do land coverage, amplify it immediately. Share the article on social with a short note of gratitude. Add the outlet logo to your website's As Seen In section. Mention it in your next newsletter or press kit. These micro wins compound. Every reactive feature adds momentum to your broader PR flywheel: visibility, authority, trust. Step 9. Turn speed into a system. Reactive PR shouldn't be random. It should be built into your workflow. Here's a simple system to follow. Set daily Google alerts. Spend 10 minutes each morning scanning for trends. Save 3 pre-written quote templates. Respond fast when the right story appears. Even one strong quote per month can snowball into consistent visibility and search authority. At OtterPR, we run this as a daily rhythm, a proactive system that makes luck predictable. Newsjacking is the ultimate equalizer. You don't need a massive budget or a full PR team, just awareness, expertise, and the courage to act fast. When someone else is watching the headlines, you're in them. That's the difference between reacting to news and shaping it. Master this skill and you'll never have to wait for opportunity again. You'll create it.